Saturday, 29th of October 2022 was a very happy day for the victims of the deadly Anambra flood disaster, currently quartered at the Christ Disciples Church CDC at Odabo, Otuocha, Umueri in Anambra East Local Government Area, Anambra State. As the members of the Umueri cabinet came calling, bringing a message of hope and love to the victims of the deadly flood disaster that has ravaged the Umueri and surrounding communities in the last couple of months. It will be recalled that the entire Omabala River Basin, including Umueri community of Anambra East Local Government Area, the Nam community of Anambra West Local Government Area and surrounding neighborhoods, came under devastating floods as the Omabala River, Ezu River, Ako, Uchichi, Ezichi and surrounding rivers and streams overflowed their banks in the last couple of months, causing unquantifiable devastation as buildings were submerged, whole communities went under the floods, schools disappeared, farmlands and the entire harvest of the last farming season was completely destroyed by the rampaging waters sweeping down from the northeast of Nigeria. In response to the situation, the monarch and traditional ruler of the community, Igbe Saben Ishuku Emeka Okebo II of Umueri, swung into action. He immediately embarked on a fact-finding tour, afflicted areas of the community. Wow. So you can see the devastation by the water. This mansion is completely, wow. See the house there is completely submerged. That one there is completely gone to roof level.
Yeah, this particular house now is the house of one of our big brother, big uncle, who was the former controller of Central Bank, late Chief Matthew Udano. You can see that this his fence is totally submerged. You know, and nobody lives here.
Okay, there's a fence there at that back.
You can see the wire.
Yes, I can see it. I can
the
see
fence wire. Cut.
So it's submerged to the top of the fence.
Of the fence. Canoe can pass up on top of the fence to enter the house.
Wow, along with members of his royal cabinet, Umueri cabinet, some community leaders, and other concerned citizens, he visited the flood-ravaged areas of the community to see things for himself, inspected the damage, and interacted with the people.
Okay.
He described what he saw in one word.
Terrible.
And I agree. So you can see the amount of damage. Then there are farmlands the other side. Adiano. There are farmlands. That place. Yams. And they are all gone. Were they able to harvest their crop? Your Majesty, cross one, the water is rising. Yes, it's rising. The ruling party moved from Odabo community to Otuocha community to Otudano And along the communities that were affected, and everywhere the story was the same: devastation, destruction, water everywhere, and not a place to stay. Distant background there, and has covered all the intervening space. He has swamped the cultural land. This is a third road deep in the Umueri community, and now you can see the water has taken over the whole of the farmlands and the intervening space, and you can see how buildings are being have been submerged under feet, meters of water, and we have this devastation. Okay, this is the hotel under construction, right in the heartland, but you can see now it has been taken over by the water. One can just imagine the amount of damage. The fence collapsed? Yes. The other side. Has there any?
Well, let me once again say that this is Umueri community, and most of the people of Umueri living along this river bank have been affected by this flooding. So it's important to mention that our brothers from Anambra West, Anambra East of Umueri, Otuocha, Enugu, and Unando are affected, just as Umueri people are also affected. So I just want to call upon the government of Anambra State, to come to the aid of our people, because the whole of this place used to be farmland, but those farmland have been covered by water, and most of the farm crops that we have put there have been prematurely removed, because if you leave it inside the water, you won't get any other thing from it again. So a lot of damages have been caused. A lot of people have lost a lot of money which they should have used for their means of livelihood. So I want to call on Anambra State government and the governor, Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo, to come to the aid of Umueri and other affected communities in Anambra East and West. Well, it's having a very serious effect in my community, because the community is overflowed now by human beings. Because, for example, this market you see now, it's not only Umueri people that are here. Umuoba people are here, Miata, and the people from West, Anambra West, they are all here today.
They are all shifting
that
here.
Used to be the Otuocha market.
Okay, that side, yes. Where they are swimming.
Apart, that's the shed for the fowl. But there's the main market is after this place. You are seeing children.
It's even beyond this.
It's beyond this place.
And it has been taken over by water.
Yeah, so that's why the people come up here now. And most people are living inside my community now, in Umueri. So it has a devastating effect on the community.
On sanitation, on everything.
You can think about.
Utilities.
People are, in a room now, you see more than 10 people living in one room. So there's no more houses for them to occupy, and they cannot live inside the water.
Inside the water.
But what can we do than to accommodate them? Let them stay with us. Maybe the next 1 month, the water will start receding and they will go back to their place.
So how are you coping with the challenge of the extra mouths to feed, extra accommodation and
That's
things?
why I'm calling on the government. Yes. We are trying our best. Most of the people from the West, they have their own individual brothers and sisters and relatives here in Umueri. Yes. So when they leave, they come and attach themselves with their brothers and sisters and relatives. So they are taking care of them, and we are also taking care of them. So that's why I'm also calling on the government to come to the aid of Umueri people and to come to the aid of the internally displaced people who are now residing in Umueri. Last year they were ported in Umueri General Hospital, yes. But there's no arrangement of such now. So, but I want government to come and make adequate arrangements, build some toilets so that people who will be living there get some boreholes sank, so that people who will be ported there we have a place to defecate and also get water to drink. This, if they do, it will help to avoid a lot of sicknesses, like cholera and the rest of them. The students who are supposed to be schooling now are no longer in school because the
classrooms have been taken over by the water.
Taken over their school. So that's a devastating effect. I want to call on the government. It's a natural disaster anyway. It's not caused by anybody. It's caused by nature. So let government see what they can do to ameliorate the suffering of the people. The people over here are suffering right now.
So His Royal Majesty Igbesa Ben is Chuemeka Okewo II of Umueri and the Umueri Royal Cabinet, having called on government, individuals and groups to rise to the occasion and to the help of the victims of this flood disaster, the worst in known history in this neighborhood. The cabinet and their principal decided to lead by example and to their pockets where their mouth is. And so today, Saturday, the 29th of October 2022, the Umueri Royal Cabinet embarked on a tour of the various IDP camps in and around Umueri, bringing succor to the afflicted of the people.
His Royal Majesty Bigwe Okebo Umueri nya bụ onye zitere anyị n'ọnwa taanị maka ive na-eme nni. Kedu ive abụ na-eme nni iji nwe gbalị nne wee metụta imi metụta ọnụ ọ na-ewutieri nne n'ive anọ n'ime ya kịta ka ndị mmadụ si ata abụbụ ka mmiri si wee bulube mmadụ n'ime na mmiri bulube mmadụ o nwere ive ọ na-eli mebisie ive niile bụ ive ọkụlụ n'ubi o nwere ive na-eli ọ na-ewutie o nwego ndị bịara ebe a mbụ nwekwuo nke anyị bịara ebe a mbụ eso m wee bịa anyị wee bute ive olili kekwuo rice n'ọnwa mmụọ arọ lisiri n'ọnwa anwa ovi igwe avụ zitelube igwe kanawe ni igwe what is okay, what is second? Dalone. Order. Owelu okita ndị kabinet igwe Royal Cabinet igwe wee sị na gịnị mere na ba ya bịa ka banyela aka unu n'anya ibe niile dị n'ọnwa bido n'ọnwa anwa buji ibe anwa bụ akpa gari na-atọ bread dị n'ọnwa indomie dị ya akpa rice bụ ibe dị n'ọgụ ibe anyị bụ ncha nke nọ n'isi n'ọbụ bụ ncha sikwa unu wee na-asụ akwa bread dịkwe igwe mesịrị ibe nwe ibe nji n'aka ibe bụ 100,000 naira na mmadụ ka unu bụ onwe nke unu si ka welie wee na sọpọtụ unu na mmadụ ka unu bụ onwe nke unu eji wee na-ebi n'ibe na-eme ibe a ọnọnya bụ ibe o zitere ndị kabinet ya ibe niile ịbụrụ n'ọnwa bụ ndị kabinet ya royal kabinet ya kedu n'ibe ya bụ igwe so no nya wa dalo ne na gba ku ka le te ni be ka ha di ake na na bo